All right, so we're going to replace the windshield wiper. So we go into, I guess, service, I don't know. And then we go into wiper service mode, maybe? Oh, okay. Now we can take the wipers. Oh, I'm just going to replace this one. This one's about 28 OE from Advanced Auto Parts. That's why I'm at Advanced. So I'm just replacing this one. Take it up. Oh, that doesn't go very far. Okay, 2 hands. All right, so this is just installing it. You don't have to put any of the additional heads that come in the package on there. Just use the one that's on the wiper already. And you just pretty much just slide it in the little grooves and push it down. And just like that, it will, so you get a little bit closer, it will clip right in. Boop, and you're pretty much done. And to take it off, to take it off, like when you're starting, all you have to do is press in that tab right there first. And once you press that, it will click it out, and then you can just press and push it out and do as I just showed. So right there, out, and you're pretty much done.